How do you find theta pi?
What?
Pi theta, how do you know? Theta p?
Theta P was already found.
What?
Here. I found it because I'm given OP is RP is given, and RP is substituted over there, then we can subject the
5 or 6.
5 or 6. You have to show it, right?
Mm.
Otherwise, don't try to copy it.
And then I'll use the calculator to integrate it.
No. You have to keep that within this certain format, right? So the calculator helps you to check whether the answer is correct or not. Otherwise, if you don't show your code in this format, this P and Q, P, Q and R should be rational.
The area of R.
So we determine this part theta plus. So this calculator doesn't help you to do that. You find these things, right? The other version, that CGP 50. In that one you can get these PQR.
So just take 2 out.
Okay.
Just take 2 out.
This 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's very easy.
Yeah, it's very more easy.
Then half is also cancelled. Outside half.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
No, that becomes 1.
Yeah.
It's cancelled. There's 1 more.
Which one?
Sir, copy again. Theta.
Go ahead.
Half becomes 1. Outside half.
No one put that this isn't denominator yet. That is coming out. Right, that is coming out. I will get it. Not yet. What's wrong with it? Please tell me. Okay. You should get the common denominator, right?
No.
Very hard.
So half becomes 1. Half becomes 1.
Yeah, I got it. I think because of this easy. Not. No, I think this time is it's like it's closing time. It's very finished. Yeah. What happened? Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, 1 4 is outside. 3 into theta from 5 over 6 to pi plus 4 into cosine theta, when this is intermediate, becomes sine theta from 5 over 6 to pi. This becomes sine 2 theta over 2, which is the derivative of this 2 theta. Right? Yeah, simplify this further. This is A1, right? Not the total region. You have to simplify this carefully, right? 3 into pi minus pi over 6 plus 4 into sine pi minus sine pi over 6 with the parentheses inside that, and plus sine 2 pi minus sine 2 times pi over 6 over 2. Sine 2 pi becomes 0. You can use a calculator. Sine pi over 3. Sine pi over 3, 1/4, 6 15 pi over 6 is 3 times 5, 3 times 2. You will the same answer.
Yes.
Plus this is half minus half, then minus 2 becomes minus 2, and this becomes sine 60 square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Right. So this is A1. You can add the right angle triangle with it, right? How do you add the right angle triangle? This is K. Because that's the x equals k. This is x equals k. Right? Rp cos theta p. Rp cos theta p is nothing else. Rp cos theta p is k. This distance is k. Right? What is you can write down the area of that triangle directly. Right? What is that area?
RB.
Rp into k into sin theta p, isn't it? Right? Rp into k into sin theta p, half. Right? That is what into the area of right angle triangle. Right? Rp is given and k is determined. Then you can multiply all these. Right? Sin theta p is known. Right? Then half into Rp is known, it's given 1 plus the square root of 3 over 2. K is known, 2 square root of 3 plus 3 over 4. And sine theta p is pi over 6, sine pi over 6 equals a2. You can add these two areas together. And you can use a calculator for this part, right? No need to do manual calculation. This sine pi over 6 is half. Please check that. 1/4. 2 plus the square root of 3. When you take out the square root of 3 from this part, this becomes 2 plus the square root of 3 over 4. This is 8. Did you finish?
Yes. Finish.
I love this coffee, then got the coffee after a long time. Right. Okay. Finish. Did you add them together?
Oh, yeah.
You have added them together, right? And keep that according
I
to
just
this.
calculated.
Yeah, okay. That's the calculator. I think that part, the square of this. I don't have enough space over there. Then A2 becomes, you have to check the consistency of this numerical values, right? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 square root of 3 over 32. No, yeah, it's 32. And we have added with this part. Added with this part, please. Then A1 plus A2, who's that? Calculate answer. Yep. Pi over 8 minus 1/2 minus the square root of 3 over 16 plus this is 7 square root of 3 over 32 plus 3 over 32, right? 3 times 4 times 3, 4 times 8. You can simplify these two, and you can use calculator, right? 1 into S. Then what is that? Check the answer finally, please. You can use the calculator for this part, right? But don't use it for this part because we can't keep that as in terms of pi further. Then what is that? 4. This is minus 4. It is minus 1/8, right? This is 2 minus 2, 5 root 3 over 32, 5 pi over 8. P equals 5 over 8. 8. Q equals 5 over 32 and R equals minus 1 8. You got the same answers?
Yes.
You got the same answers?
Next step. Limit of 1.
When we move forward, if it is surface, we can do it with triple integrals and double integrals.
Yeah. So determinant is AD minus BC, right?
I think is it 2 by 2 matrix?
AD minus BC.
The main diagonal, the multiplication elements in main
Is AD
diagonal
minus
minus
BC?
no, A, B, C, D, if it is A, this is defined from the 2 by 2 matrix.
Yeah.
Right? So there is another general definition for that, for the determinant, right? So that A for 2 by 2 matrix is AD
Minus BC.
minus BC, right? But determinant for a square metric, n by n metric is quite different. We don't get that in this method.
So that's what I said.
Yeah, this is.
AD minus BC.
I have like you said AB minus.
AD minus BC.
You said AB.
Yeah.
I have to check that once again. I have witnesses. I can check. I think you told me AB minus. I think so. Right.
Seven 14 kilometers.
So yeah, those family left the country.
Oh.
That's why he's not able to come here today.
His family.
Then I asked, is it okay at that time? He's okay with that.
Yes.
Because I thought that when he's coming from far away, then there might be a problem. Did you finish? Yeah. Did you finish? Then after that, we will work out for second order homogeneous and non-homogeneous differential equation. Shall we select a question from this book?
Okay. Let's finish this film.
Really, you got that complex part, and I think this is an example. In damping motion, we get
Damping motion.
yeah, in physics. Oh, what's going on there?
So also,
Okay, I'm sure.
I will check the camera.
M is 3x 7 y plus 1 2 minus x. This is a simple question in this I combine its national syllabus. Find the range of value x for which the determinant of the n is positive. The determinant of n is 3x into 2 minus x minus 7 into 4x plus 1. So this is minus 3x is squared, 6x minus 28 minus 22x minus 7.
Minus.
Oh, everybody is minus, right?
Where let's check. Is it? Where let's check.
Is it 4x minus 1?
No.
It's 4x minus 1. Yeah. What they asking for? Asking for? They're asking for?
That's
So is minus 310.
The sweating is good. Makes sense.
What's that? While the determinant, which is determinant of the matrix, the means positive. Let this be positive. Not equal, right? Just see. What's the range of x? Right? We can solve for this inequality. This is an inequality number, right? This is greater than 0. We can divide both sides by a negative, which is going to be less than 0. Is there a call? Right. Then you can use the capital, you can factorize this. It's 21 into 1. 3x x 21 7 plus 1
X less than minus 7, x greater than minus 1.
minus 1. We'll substitute 0. 0 is substituted, it becomes positive. This is negative. This will be positive. Isn't it? Now we are looking for negative. So x is in between 7 and minus 1. So range of x, right? It's a very simple question. What's the other question?
4x.
Greater than
You take
0.
minus out. Right.
Yeah, when we divide both sides by minus, this sign is going to be switched. Carefully do that, right?
So this is correct. Imaginary real.
Yeah, real division. That is the argument. part, only the imaginary part, right? When you switch on the imaginary part, you get the conjugate. Which is Z star, right? Z star. Z star represents the conjugate. Conjugate is known as where a complex number, when two complex numbers are added, we get a totally real number. And when, since these are multiplied together, we get a totally real number. Right? The number output is totally real. So by satisfying both requirements, those two numbers are known as conjugate with each other. If one is the complex number, the other one is the conjugate. Right? So in geometric domain is the reflection into the real axis. Right. Okay. So what do you have to do? Z1 and Z2 are given. Z1 equals 3 plus 5 iota. Z1 equals 3 plus 5 iota. And Z2 equals minus 2 plus 6 iota. Z2 equals minus 2 plus 6 iota.
So then argument that value is what's the
The argument is that the angle, right?
Angle.
With respect to the real axis, right? With respect to the measure, with respect to real axis and clockwise, right? So you can check whether your answer is correct or not. You can calculate there is an operator there, so then you get a function to work with this
as well as tan theta?
Yeah, yes, using tan theta, right? And y component is the imagined component over the real component, right? So who's the
So how to find that argument?
Yeah, for example, this one, how to find the argument in imaginary component or real component is tan theta. We are supposed to find this theta, which is the argument, right? Then tan inverse of that. Imaginary component is 5 and the real component is 3. So this is 3 plus, this is 3 plus 5 iota. This point represents that. Real is imaginary. And let me check your calculator. In this calculator, when you use complex form or complex form, you can insert this 3 plus 5 iota, but you can't show you working. 3 plus 5 iota, click on equal sign, then shift matrix is depending on calculator. Right? Shift matrix, sorry, not matrix, complex, shift complex, right? Find the argument, or otherwise